Now, I've been talking about the attendees there. The VIPs were expected to reach Delhi. Maharashtra Deputy CMs Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar have left for Delhi to attend the swearing-in ceremony of Rekha Gupta as the new Chief Minister, and the NCP leaders as well, who are also expected to join this high-profile gathering for the event. Pragya is also connected with us. Pragya, good morning to you. It seems that what we witnessed in Maharashtra elections as far as the swearing-in ceremony is concerned, this time it will be even a grander stage that has now been set up for the Delhi Chief Minister swearing-in ceremony.
Amrita, and for the fact that BJP has come to power after 27 years, obviously this has to be grand, and obviously this is a message that has gone to India Alliance and opposition as well. Remember what Mr. Kejriwal said, that he is invincible, no one can defeat him, not even Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And look at this particular ground today. This is also a reminder that no one stays in power in a democracy if people don't want them. So you need to work among the people, you need to work in the ground, you need to give the governance. This is a larger message that has been sent across to each and every political party and not just to one political party. But having said that, there are other ministers whose name have also been finalized, and this has put out in Gazette notification as well. Pravesh Sahib Singh Verma will be the minister. Ashish Sood, also another veteran, senior BJP leader and had been in charge of Goa and co-in charge of Jammu and Kashmir. He will also be taking oath. Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Then 4 of the SC seats have been won by BJP. So there is a representation for that as well. Mr. Ravinder Inderaj Singh will be taking oath as well. Kapil Mishra will be also taking oath, and Pankaj Kumar Singh representing Purvanchali. He also will be the minister. So these names have already been announced. Gazette notification has already been out, and they will be, will be the ministers, will be the cabinet ministers of Ms. Rekha Gupta, who is going to be sworn in as Chief Minister of Delhi. Apart from that, if you can see, there is a stage behind me. Mr. Viren Sachdeva, who is BJP president, he is already here overseeing all the arrangements. And Mr. Pawan Rana, who is organization general secretary for BJP, he is also here. So the Delhi leadership already here. They are taking care of each and every sitting arrangement. There are 3 stages that have been put. NDA leaders will be here. So one stage is for the ministers, chief ministers, and another is for the celebrities and important dignitaries and deputy CMs. They all will be present on this stage, apart from Ms. Rekha Gupta and the cabinet minister and all the top leaders of the BJP. They will also be present here. Prime Minister will be also present here, and this is a very big moment for the BJP right now, because everyone is looking at BJP with a microscope, even the opposition parties, and they will be attacking them if they slip even a bit. So this is the
Delhi that we can see as far as thanking the people of the national capital for bringing back the BJP after a gap of 27 long years, as the jinx that has now been broken, and a 4th woman chief minister would be taking oath today in the national capital. Hours to go as the countdown continuously they're running on your screens, and of course with the biggest team of reporters there on ground, this is a continuous and a comprehensive coverage only on Times Now.